Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install Plants vs Zombies 2 on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. Since I'm using iOS, you can follow the steps for your Android too, since the process is similar. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store for your Android, whereas App Store for your iOS device, and in the search bar type in Plants vs Zombies 2. Look for this application from PopCap and then tap on the download or the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Once the application is installed, you can tap on the open button and enjoy playing Plants vs Zombies 2 on your mobile device. You've successfully downloaded the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more safe, fast mobile game tutorials. If you've got any other game you want to install, drop it in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.